So excited that you decided to listen to this video and learn about the common accounting mistakes that are made. I'm Margot Massery, your heartfelt CFO from Margot's Bookkeeping, and I am so happy that you are here and that I can share these tips with you. It might be a good time to share these different tips as business owners make mistakes with their taxes all the time. And the common ones that are costing you money is what we're going to talk about in this video. The first one is the math. What happens is that people don't take the right time to prepare their numbers, that they just do it the quick way and don't realize how much is involved in preparing the numbers. If you aren't a math whiz, it's worth it to hire somebody so that they can look at it for you. Even if you are a math whiz, you want somebody who can look at it for you and be able to check those numbers, because the IRS will do that for you. The next one is employee classification. Now, employee classification is so wide, but yet so important. And I'm going to try to share with you as much as I can. The first part is that when you have employees, that's somebody who you control their schedule. If you outsource the work, you don't really control their schedule. That's considered an outside contractor. Now, people call, whether it's a contractor or whether it's employee, they still use the word payroll, and it causes huge issues on the return when they look to close the year, because the numbers don't tie out with their W-2, which is a year-end filing. The next one is something to think about as side income. Sometimes you have these investments that are making money, and we don't really realize how much it adds up, but it also is important to add it in because it's part of our overall financial picture. And we need to add that in, whether it's $10, $100, $1,000, and so on. It is important so that you are able to look at your numbers, no matter how small and how large that they are. Now, one of the easiest things to do is to rely on last year's numbers and not really review them. Now, capital losses, they carry on to the next year, and you want to review those, bringing them into the next year just for an alignment of how you ended and how you're going to move forward with the year. Now, as always, if you know anything about me, I love to help everybody. But if you help everybody, you help nobody. And I can't help everybody, but I can help those who want to be helped. Hiring an expert is amazing because you are gaining the knowledge that they have, and you only know what you don't know. So now, which tip resonated with you? We'd love to hear back. And as always, if you need any advice or any questions, please let me know. And if you're in a situation where your business is growing and you're not sure and you need some help, please feel free to reach out. And I hope you enjoyed these tips. Ultimately, tax season doesn't have to be so hard. And what makes it easier is having the support so that you can get the answers that you need, understand your financials, and make the best decisions for you and be able to execute. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you soon.